Usually, Excel aligns text that's on the left of the cells and numbers on the right. With numbers, it's not necessary to make changes. However, with text, it might be a good idea to change the alignment. So in 3, the titles being centered look fine. This is shown in the alignment group on the Home tab where this button is highlighted. Column A looks fine, but you might want to align the data on the right of the cell. When we have titles, for example, in cell D1, it would probably make sense to put the information higher up in the cell. So we're talking about aligning in the middle of the cell. So there's vertical alignment buttons as well as horizontal ones. In column A, we can center these again. What happened in A2 was that text entries went to the right of the column. It will display into adjacent columns if there's no data there. In column A, it might be best to deal with cell A2 separately and keep it left aligned. At times, it may be a good idea to display wider entries with something called wrap text. This feature is also found in the alignment group. Cell A7 looks a bit overcrowded, so a good solution may be to make the column wider. We can try out the wrap text to see how it works. And so this is how it looks. It makes the column taller, but it is an option to consider. So there are a variety of alignment choices that we have here. When you're looking at titles, like in cell D1, it displays into the other cells to the right because those are empty. But it may look better if we center this information from left to right. We can do that as well as merging all the cells into a single cell with the button Merge and Center. It seems to be centered and cell D1 is extending across multiple cells, but this worksheet doesn't have cells E1, F1, G1, etc. You might want to use a vertical alignment here, the middle line. This is a single cell, which you could add color to, make bold, change the font, etc. So this is different to putting in titles, information, and emphasizing them more. So the alignment group has many choices in the Home tab for many alignment features.